At precisely 18:49 on the 13th of October 2022, the machines took over. We were unprepared. The attack came unannounced. The only way to defeat them is to build this amazing webpage. Follow along to save humanity.
That is a gripping way of starting it, isn't it? So, dot container, dot menu, ul, li, class logo. There we go. Image logo dot png. li dot active home li, copy that twice more, did it? Weaknesses specifications, specifications, and last but not least, network, and one more, lia dot location span break the matrix, because I'm conflicting matrix and terminator. Dot sidebar dot text box h1 end the machines. I think that's a pretty strong statement. That's what we need. Dot line, and we will need a good line every now and then. I was just watching a production of the Apocalypse Now, and apparently they did a lot of lines during that production, so maybe that is the elixir for life, cocaine. Who'd have thought? LIA I.FA FA/Instagram, because even though the robots are attacking, it is still all about the gram, apparently. User podcast, and last but not least, cog. That's COG, by the way, not cock. Dot banner dot text h1 machines have taken over. The fight back starts here. So serious, I know. Dot typing text h1 dot auto slash input where are we? And last but not least, BR. So let me just create a nice bit of room here. So that's that. Correct, Mondo. Dot links. And you've guessed it, li I dot fa slash file slash archive slash 0. Excuse me, not 0, O. I know, yes, another catchy title. And where are we? Fucking hell. P archive. So copy that. So there's 4 in total. Oh, you plum. There we go. Actually, tell you what, that probably wasn't the wisest idea, so I do apologise for being a complete plum. It's the machines, you see, they've rotted my brain. FA/ID/card. Identification, IDENTIFICATION. Get rid of that. Wi-Fi. Hack. Reset. And crystal. Jesus, there we go. Refresh. RESH. Just make sure that I've done everything correctly. Yep. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scoot over to the CSS and I'm going to come back to the HTML to add the pièce de résistance to the typing text section. So, dot container. Remember, this is to defeat the machine, so we need to be on our game. 100%. Height, 100%. Background URL bg.jpg. Background size is cover. Background position center. Scary as hell. I know, the machines are here. It's all a clever ruse, don't worry. Dot menu. UL. Well, apparently my inability to type is not particularly clever. Margin top. It's 50 pixels. Margin left. 9%. Border radius 12 pixels. Display inline flex. Border solid 2 pixels. Black 2 pixels. Background color is a off black, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5F. Dot menu ULLI. List style none. Padding top, which always makes me think of Paddington. Margin 0, 20 pixels. Color is white. Cursor, pointer. Dot logo. Image. Width 30 pixels. Margin top -7 pixels. Margin right 48 pixels. Dot active. Color is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Importante. There we go. dot location. So we're now on this bit. Top is 40 pixels, right 80 pixels, pose, oh, for God's sake, position is absolute, text decoration is none, color is red, border 2 pixels, solid, transparent, border radius 25 pixels, background image, linear gradient, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6F, radical gradient, circle at top left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5F, FF 1, 2, 3, 4, 6D. Background origin, border box, build a box, build a bear, save that. Dot location, span. The display is block and the padding is 8 pixels, 24 pixels. There we go. And it's a perfect pill shape because you need a pill to break the matrix, you see? I'm not just chatting out my ass. I know how to defeat them. Sidebar. Width 100 pixels. Height 100 VH. Top is 0. Left is 0. Background RGB 8. 0, 0, 0. 0.284. Position is absolute. Dot sidebar hover. Sidebar. Jesus. You know, I think I've been having a lot of cider. I haven't. I'm just a natural pisshead. There we go. Background RGB A 0.41. Yeah, for fuck's sake. Let me just do this again. RGBA 0.041. There we go. It's the robots that are melting my brain as I do this. He's trying to stop me. Text box. Position is absolute. The top is 45%. Right negative 40%. Text align center. Transform rotate negative 90 degrees. Negative 90 degrees. Dot text box H1. The font size is 28 pixels because robots can't see 28 pixels. That's a fact. It blurs it. It's like the dead spot in their vision. You see, all this has a plan. Font. I was going to add font weight, but I haven't got any in there, so fuck it. Text transform. Uppercase. End the machines. I couldn't have said it better myself. Dot line. Maybe I need a line. There we go. Width 200 pixels. Height 2 pixels. Margin auto. And background. Perfecto. Now, because after this fight back begins, we need to stay in contact with each other, so we'll do that through the social icons, because we are social creatures. Right, 65 pixels. Bottom, 35 pixels. Position is absolute. Dot social icons, ULLI. List style is none. Margin top is 15 pixels. Text align is center. Dot social icons ULLIA. Color is white. Border radius is 50%. Border 1 pixel. Solid. What color? Do that one because I like that one. Padding is 5 pixels. Display is block. Save that. Copy that. Hover. Transform, translate X 10 pixels. Color, transition 0.5 seconds. You, sir, are in the wrong place. So I've just realized what I've done and the mistake I've made. So let me just put a closing div here. Then that will connect to that. That will connect to that. That will connect to that. My apologies. And I'm just going to change this to red as well to make it a little bit more. So save that, go over here, and there we go. Perfecto. And the next one, dot banner. So we are now working on this little one down here. Dot banner. Width 80%. Height is 70%. Top 25%. Left 130 pixels. Position is absolute. Color is white. Dot text. Width is 50%. Float left. Text H1. Font size 42 pixels. Width 640 pixels. Position is relative. What the? Oopsie daisy. The position is relative and margin left 40 pixels. There is a bit in the CSS that relates to this particular div. I will come back to it after what you'll see. Dot links. Border top left radius 25 pixels. Border top right. Left is 50%. Bottom is 0. Position is absolute. Background linear gradient to left. Hashtag FF1234B3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7A. Dot links UL. Display inline flex. Margin is 30 pixels. Auto. Text align center. And the last couple dot links li ULLI. List style is none. Margin is 0, 50 pixels. Cursor is pointer. Dot links. ULLI dot FA. Font size is 25 pixels. Color is white. Dot links ULLI P. There we go. Margin top 15 pixels. Text transform is uppercase. Font size 10 pixels and white. Dunno. So I know what you're thinking. So, man with amazingly attractive voice. How do we stop the robots completely? Well, I'll tell you. And this is the pièce résistance of where the automatic typing text comes in. Because they are powerless to this. So if we just scoot back up here, dot typing text, font size is 30 pixels. Dot auto input dot auto input after is what I meant to write. Content is blank. Animation blink 0.5 seconds infinite. At keyframes blink 0% let me just scooch this up here. Opacity is 100%. Opacity is 0. And dot typed cursor the display is none. So that is all well and good, and that's it from the CSS. So if I just go over to the HTML and go script, src equals typing text dot JS, script var typed equals new typed open brackets dot auto input strings, and because this is to protect against our alien overlords, robot overlords, excuse me, I was getting so many evasions happening at once. Obey your instincts. Open your mind. And last but not least, because this will really prevent the robot takeover, subscribe. Yeah, that's how you spell it. Type speed 150. Back speed 100. Loop is true. And if I've done everything correctly, if I scoot over here, So to correct my error, change that to a capital S, change that to a capital S, save that. And there we go.
So, fellow humans, that is how we build a website to defeat the machines. I'll see you on the other side. And may God save humanity. Arrivederci.